Hey, how y'all doing? All right, today I got a little repair tip for y'all. I woke up the other morning to my refrigerator making this sound. And what it's doing is how I describe it as boot looping. Something has happened in the system. The refrigerator I have is a Whirlpool. It has 3 cards in the back of it, and I don't know where else in it it's got like little computer cards. It's boot looping. It beeps and beeps and beeps and beeps, and that usually it makes like a tone if it gets powered up, like after a power outage or when you first plug it in. Well, it's starting that tone and then shuts off, and starts that tone and then shuts off. And I tore this refrigerator apart trying to figure out what was wrong with it, and it was really a simple solution, and I'm going to show y'all right now. On my refrigerator, this is it. Whirlpool has the double up, it has the middle refrigerated snack drawer, and then what I call a snack drawer, and then it's got the bottom freezer. This snack drawer is what my problem was. These buttons, excuse the dirtiness, my kid, get in here. These buttons were the problem. They had gotten wet somehow, okay? And here's how you fix it. Take this out, pull your drawer all the way out, take this out. Right here, this little cover, you push and pull, and you undo this plug. It's got 2 tabs, pop off with a flathead screwdriver. That is the power and control for those buttons. So unplug your fridge, do that, plug it back in, and see if that don't fix your problem. It's pretty common with these refrigerators. It took a lot of Googling for me to figure that out, and it wasn't even this brand refrigerator that it was doing it on that somebody had mentioned. So I could not find a video on it. So I figured I'd make a video and get it out there to hopefully help somebody. Because it's frustrating. These refrigerators ain't cheap, and they're not easily replaceable. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope that helps somebody. I hope get your refrigerator running again. I'm going to leave it for a few days. Actually, I'm probably just going to leave it unplugged completely, because my wife says she don't even use the buttons, because it tells you like what you set it for, what foods you have in there. I'm just going to leave it unplugged. In your case, leave it unplugged for a few days, and then go back and unplug your fridge or flip the breaker, and then plug it back in and start your refrigerator back up, see if it runs. I bet after a few days it'll dry out and your refrigerator will be back to normal again. Y'all have a good one. Love y'all. God bless you. Like, subscribe, share. It all helps. It helps people out. It don't really help me out. I mean, it does, but it helps people find this stuff. So I'll see y'all. Bye.